In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your audience in Mailchimp. Segmentation helps you send the right message to the right people at the right time. Instead of blasting every contact with the same email, you can target a specific group based on shared criteria. In this walkthrough, we'll build a simple, time-based segment so you can focus on the most recently added subscribers. Start by opening your Mailchimp account and heading to the audience area. This is the hub where your contacts live and where you'll manage how they're organized. Once you're in audience, go to segments. This is where you create rules that tell Mailchimp who should be included in your targeted group. Click Create Segment to open the segment builder. You'll see a simple interface that lets you pick conditions. Choose Select or search a filter to reveal all the attributes you can use. For this example, select Email Date Added. This filter targets people based on when they joined your list, which is perfect for welcoming new subscribers or running time-sensitive promotions. Next, choose the type of date comparison you want. If you need a specific cutoff point, pick Is After and select a date that makes sense for your campaign. Then switch to Is Within to create a rolling window that automatically stays current, like the last few days or weeks. This keeps your segment fresh without any extra work from you. Now, type the number for the time frame you want. For example, enter 7 to capture contacts added within the last 7 days. This quickly builds a recent subscribers segment you can use for onboarding emails, special offers, or any message that benefits from timely engagement. If you see that your preview shows very few people, consider adjusting the number to broaden the window. If it's too many, shorten it to keep the audience focused. When your condition looks right, click Review Segment. This gives you a quick summary so you can confirm you've targeted exactly who you intended. If everything checks out, click Use Segment. Your segment is now ready to apply to a campaign, an automation, or any targeted. Send where recency matters. That's it. You've just created a dynamic, time-based segment using Email Date Added. This approach is clean, reliable, and easy to maintain, and it helps you speak directly to the subscribers who are most likely to engage right now. Keep refining your filters as your goals evolve, and you'll see stronger performance from every send.